Meaning of geographer.
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 Geographer. A geographer is a person who studies the physical and cultural features of the Earth's surface and how they interact with each other. They collect, analyze, and interpret data about the environment, including landforms, climates, natural resources, and human activities. Geographers also use tools like maps, satellites, and geographic information systems, GIS, to create detailed representations of the Earth's surface. By understanding the relationships between different parts of the Earth's surface, geographers can provide insights into issues like climate change, urbanization, and natural resource management, helping us better understand and manage our planet.